The fucking train. It saves lives and it kills lives. And it mostly kills lives. Mostly killing.
Hello, party people. It's Angie Martinez.
Because
listen, don't hold the doors while the train is in the station. This is just a friendly reminder. You know this. Holding the doors can slow down thousands of riders who are just
I left home early, right?
So remember,
Early
you're holding the doors,
to get here.
you're holding
Early.
the L. Thanks
And
for helping to keep New York City moving. And have a great day.
So, while I'm walking, I see one train go. Okay, chill. Went by, the other one is gonna come in about 10 minutes. By the time I get to the train station, it'll be 7 minutes. So I go by fast, right? I fucking go up the stairs to come to the station, and the train comes, and I'm like, I fucking kidding me. So I run up the stairs. They don't have 2 seconds to wait. It's 5 minutes early. No, gone. And I can't express, and now I need to wait 10 minutes for the next train. And I can't express to you how fucking annoying the stress of using the train system in New York City will kill me. The stress, I wanted to cry from annoying. You can't wait 2 seconds. You can't wait 1 minute to let people come up the fucking stairs while you're 5-7 minutes early. And then I just see it go, an empty train go. And now this train is gonna be packed. And I'm like, it's gonna kill me. This stress is going to kill me.